Hola ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As you can kind of see, I've already been playing with a little bit of paint, but I was swearing up a storm, so I won't be able to upload that one, but maybe I'll include a picture of it, you know, maybe like right there. That's a reminder for me to do it. LOL. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the same color combination. So I used the green, I used the, I guess, deep yellow, and the violets with the white paint to create the sails and the lacing. Yeah, we're just gonna go for it. I don't want to spend too much time talking, I just want to play with some paint. So let's go ahead and just pour some stuff on. So in between, I'm gonna go ahead and spin it just to kind of help spread the paint around so I can retain some of the colors. Let's not knock everything over like we did last time. LOL. And then I'm going to go ahead and dump some of this purple. Quite a bit of it. And then after that, I'm going to dump some of the yellow. I'm going to do it off center because most of the paint seems to be going in one direction. So we're going to see what happens. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it a hand by tilting it around. And no worries, I will add more paint if needed, because apparently all the green's gone. That's centered enough for me. Alright, so I guess we'll throw on a little bit more purple right there, a little bit of the yellow, maybe right over here, and of course we'll add some green just kind of everywhere. And I'll go ahead and put some of this white paint on there, blow it out, and see if it comes out as cool as the other one did. But first I'm gonna see if I can't destroy some of these little bubbles with the old trusty torch. Alright. Pop little see, I almost swore again. Alright. So forgive me, my head's gonna be in the way. I need a haircut, like always. Go ahead, pour just a little bit of paint right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and blow it out. So, con permiso. I like the way the purple and the yellow blend with that green, and I wish I could do that more often. Oh wait, I can. I dig it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and spin this out and see what happens. All right. We didn't quite get all the corners. What do we do in these situations? We cheat. How do we cheat? By adding colors to the corners. And go ahead and add purple, because there seems to be a lot of green. Although I'm going to spin this again, so most of this purple will probably go away. But it's okay. That's enough. Slow your rope, bro. Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was a super quick video. Thank you for watching. I'm just kidding. Let's do a close-up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have another funky little piece by yours truly. We're gonna zoom in just a little bit. Oof. Okay, maybe we're gonna zoom in a lot. But anyways, I dig those lacings, those little sails, and I don't know why I'm talking like this, ladies and gentlemen. I dig it. Let me know in the comment section if you dig it. Yeah, I'm definitely liking the purple and the yellow. I like the way it blends together to make this funky, I guess, purplish yellow pattern. I want to zoom in, but I don't know how the quality will appear. Oof, that looks grainy. I am filming on my phone, so forgive me if the quality isn't up to par. Ladies and gentlemen, Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.